Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 online. First, make sure your game is completely installed and updated to its newest version. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay, so ensure your device is connected. Once ready, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. This will be your gateway to countless online battles and exciting challenges with players worldwide. Get ready for action. To begin, you will need to create or log into your platform's online account, like PlayStation Network or Xbox Live. Next, explore the various game modes available, such as Team Deathmatch or Domination, and choose one that matches your preferred style. You can then join a public match with other players or invite up to 5 friends to a private lobby for a more controlled experience. It's all about finding your perfect match. Once in a match, understanding the objectives is key to victory. Whether it's capturing points or eliminating opponents, teamwork makes the dream work. Use in-game voice chat to communicate strategies with your teammates, coordinating attacks and defenses. Experiment with different loadouts, including various weapons and perks, to find what works best for specific combat scenarios. Adaptability is a powerful tool on the battlefield. To enhance your online experience, focus on progression. Complete daily and weekly challenges to earn significant bonus experience points, helping you level up faster. As you play, you will unlock a wide array of new weapons, attachments, and cosmetic items to customize your soldier. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapon classes, from assault rifles to sniper rifles, to discover your personal favorites and dominate the competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.